This is the recording for conclusion template. We start with intro, we end with conclusion template. Conclusion is concluding the program, and this is the template. So let us do this. Yes. Now, coming to the end of the workshop. Yes. And the main message from this particular workshop, communication breakthrough, is having a breakthrough in our communication, becoming powerful in the stage, able to speak fluently and confidently right from the stage. There were 5 key takeaways. The first one is speak with confidence. Ekta, how is your confidence after doing communication break? 10 out of 10. Wonderful. Can you give a big round? Priyanka ji, communication breakthrough. She can rate herself as 8. Can we give her a big 5mg? How is your confidence talking to strangers? 10. Wonderful. Like, okay, the second number today is called as making powerful presentations. You are able to come here, communicate, and able to make presentations. Ekta and Ekansha both were sharing that in their college, they are now participating in seminars. Correct? Earlier, how it was? Hesitant and nervous to do now? Straight away, correct? You're able to make powerful. How are your relationships when it comes to communication? Have you seen your communication relationships become better? Wonderful. That is one of the key takeaways. And also able to influence and convince people. How is the convincing part now? Much better, isn't it? So communication, breakthrough, these were the key takeaways. Have we got all of them? Speak with spontaneity. Are you able to now speak with spontaneity? Yes. So these were the 5 key takeaways from this particular workshop. And these were the basic. Now I have comment forms for each and every one of you. And I'm going to hand it out to you. Please take the comment form. Lijay, comment form. There are some few questions where you can rate yourself before and after. So please rate yourself in the this thing. How much marks you will want to give before the workshop, after the workshop. For example, Pratik, your confidence before the workshop and after the workshop, how is it?
Before the workshop, I was not that confident.
In numbers, can you just tell us?
1 or 2.
1 or 2, 1.5. Now?
I'm like 8.5.
8.5. Can you give a big round of applause? How is your presentation skills? Earlier and now? 3, 9. Wonderful. Yes, Dia, how is your presentation skills? How is your confidence? 3.5, that is 3 or 4, 3.5. Now it is 8. Can 5mg, how is your confidence level? So this is a feedback form. Please fill it up there. This one, Nandan, fill up the feedback form. So this is what exactly is called as comment. Okay, at the end, I have a gift for all of you. You will have your kits that will be giving it to you. And I'm handovering all the kits to all of you. You remember, you guys got the kits. You got, these are your curriculum books. These are gift. Please read them. The more you learn, the more you earn, isn't it? Yes, this workshop would not be successful without my teammates. I want to thank all my team members who work relentlessly, really back. Kannanji, you worked really hard to ensure that everybody gets. Vishnu, Akila, Ajit coach has put in a lot of time, and there's so many people, Meeraji, Madhriji, so many people who work. So I want to acknowledge them. Can you give them a big round of applause? And most importantly, all of you, please give yourself a big round of applause. You've done really, really well. You've done so well participating in giving your level 10. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Good night. This is what? Conclusion. Did I follow the same thing? Main message. Correct? Then did I do the review of the points? Review of the points is what? What we should review?
Improvement.
Key points. What is the review? WIIFM. What's in it for it? You have to go back. After 3 days also, you have to go back. Did you learn all this? They say, yes. Wow, they got value. They've come there. They're reviewing the WI or the key takeaways, correct? Action and commitment. Oh, I didn't take action and commitment. So can I have everybody action commitment? We have selected how many things? 9 things. How many things? 9 things. This has to be, miss this out. However, I'm going to action commitment. So every day, how many pages will you read? Minimum 1 page. So this one. Every day, super vocabs. How many words? Can I have a commitment from all of you? I took the action and commitments also. Correct? Action and commitment helps them to be a lifelong learner, that they keep learning. Then I have gifts. celebration and bonding. You can have bonding also, everybody before you leave, please hug each other and leave. That also you can do. Acknowledgement, staff and participation, goodbye and thank you. Did I follow the entire template? Lovely. Thank you so much.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become #1 in studies and #1 in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.